Buying private label ebook resale rights versus writing your own. In today's society, there are many individuals who are looking to make money any way that they can. In many cases, these individuals are looking for opportunities that allow them to work at their own pace or be their own boss. If you are one of those individuals, then it is possible that you may have thought about creating and selling ebooks. The popularity of ebooks has rapidly increased over the past few years now. Many readers are not only finding it convenient to purchase them, but cheaper. In most cases, ebooks are easily to read on the computer, but they can also be printed off. Since more and more consumers are interested in purchasing ebooks, there are more individuals who are looking to make money off of them. If you are able to do this, you may find success. However, that success will not come without hard work. If you have never created an ebook before, it is difficult to understand exactly how much hard work it entails. To be worth a buy, most ebooks are at least 100 pages long. However, some are longer. If you are interested in creating an ebook, it may take months for you to finish the book. In addition to hard work, you must also have writing experience and knowledge on the topic that you are writing about. This knowledge and experience isn't necessarily necessary. However, it is important to the success of your ebook. It is a fact that customers do not and will not purchase poor quality work. In addition to writing a quality ebook, you will also have to find ways to sell it. Together, the two could take a large amount of time. For many individuals, this is a major turn-off. However, there are alternatives. If you are interested in selling ebooks to make a profit, you do not necessarily have to create your own. Instead, you can obtain the private label resale rights to another ebook. Obtaining the resale rights to an ebook will allow you, in many cases, to assume the work as your own, edit the content, and pocket the money from each sale of the book. The biggest downside to obtaining the resale rights to an ebook is the amount of money that you will have to spend. Depending on who you do business with, the cost of acquiring private label resale rights may be fairly expensive. Since most freelance writers spend a large amount of time creating their ebooks, as previously mentioned, they may want to appropriately be compensated. The cost of resale rights to an ebook may be considered a disadvantage to this unique business opportunity, but it can also be considered an advantage. Ebook authors that charge more for their work typically have produced better content. Better content is easier to sell. Whether you make the decision to develop your own ebook or purchase the resale rights to someone else's, you will still have to find a way to market the ebook to the general public. This, depending on what approach you take, can take time. That is why many individuals prefer purchasing the resale rights to an ebook that has already been created. This allows them to spend more time on marketing, which will in turn create sales. If you are unsure as to whether or not you should create your own ebook or obtain the resale rights to another, you are not alone. There are a number of other individuals wondering the same thing. Private label resale rights are an amazing business opportunity for some, but not for all. There is a great free audio course on private label resale rights at www.plurtips.com. Check this out today. All online business opportunities take time to find success. If you have the financial resources needed to obtain the resale rights to a well-written ebook, you are encouraged to give this opportunity a shot. You are not guaranteed results, but you may be surprised with what you find. If you try obtaining the resale rights to an ebook and the experience is not what you had in mind, you can begin to create your own ebooks or move on to another business opportunity. Unlike many other business ventures, private label resale rights allow you to get out when you want. After you have paid for the resale rights to an ebook, it is yours to do with. This means that you can stop at any time and move on to something else if you desire.